Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. In this video, we're taking a look at Truist, found online at www.truist.com. Truist is a financial institution formed through the merger of BB&T and SunTrust. They offer a wide range of services, catering to both individual consumers and businesses. For personal banking, you can find checking accounts, savings accounts, and various loan options such as mortgages and auto loans. They also provide credit cards and wealth management services for those looking for investment assistance. On the business side, Truist offers specialized financial solutions tailored to different industries. These include things like commercial lending, treasury management, and merchant services. Navigating their website, you'll find resources for learning about financial planning and managing your money effectively. Truist emphasizes its commitment to its communities and highlights its involvement in various philanthropic initiatives. It's worth exploring their website further to see the full scope of their services and to determine if they align with your specific financial needs. Whether you're looking for a simple checking account or complex business banking solutions, Truist appears to offer a comprehensive suite of financial products. Remember to do your own research and compare Truist's offerings with those of other financial institutions before making any decisions. It's important to find the best fit for your individual circumstances. They also appear to have a robust mobile app allowing you to manage your finances on the go, which is a significant advantage in today's fast-paced world. Furthermore, Truist highlights its focus on digital innovation and security, which are key considerations for anyone managing their finances online. Their website features information about their security measures and provides resources to help customers protect themselves from fraud. Be sure to check out their dedicated security center for more information. Finally, consider reaching out to Truist directly or visiting a local branch to discuss your specific financial goals and determine the best course of action. Talking with a representative can provide personalized insights and help you make informed decisions about your financial future.